Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. In today's video, we are talking about a topic that's often whispered about but rarely explained. Masturbation and menstrual cramps. Here masturbation means female masturbation and menstrual cramps. Actually what happens, many women ask whether masturbation helps ease with period pain. Means whether masturbation can reduce period pain. That is the common question asked by women. Okay, not all, but many. Anyway, so let's dive into this topic here actually, what doctors and science say about this. So we are talking about right now female masturbation and menstrual cramps. So first let's discuss in short something about menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps means lower abdominal pain and the back pain happen during menstruation. This is known to you and this is known as menstrual cramps. Actually what happens, uterus contracts during period or menstruation. Uterus contracts and this contraction actually is triggered by chemicals known as prostaglandins. So high levels of prostaglandins cause what? High levels of prostaglandins cause stronger contractions, and if contractions of the uterus muscles are stronger, in that case that woman must feel severe pain. Okay, in her lower abdomen and the back. So what is the reason? So now you know the reason. The reason is contractions of the uterus muscles. Actually, it sheds the lining. That way, by contracting the uterus muscles, the uterus sheds its lining. And this is triggered by the chemical prostaglandin. If more prostaglandin existing in your body, in that case, if more prostaglandin exists in your body, in that case, contractions are more or stronger. Contractions are stronger, and in that case, you must feel severe pain. So, the question is whether during this phase of severe pain, severe menstrual pain, is masturbation really helpful or not? That is the question asked by many women. So, answer to that question is yes, but not for all the women. Yes, but not for all the women. That is the correct answer. That means for some women, this is really helpful. Masturbation is really helpful, but not for all the women. So, what happens actually? So, when a woman masturbates and reaches orgasm, okay, keep in your mind that when a woman masturbates and reaches orgasm, I think this is known to you, otherwise I'll discuss the same thing in a separate video. When a woman masturbates and reaches orgasm, after that some special things happen in the woman's body. Very special things happen, like first is the brain, means the woman's brain releases endorphins. And you know that endorphins are natural painkillers, which are also known as the feel-good hormones. Then again, oxytocin is released. Okay, oxytocin, this hormone is also released, and this actually reduces cramping. How? This relaxes uterus muscles. This oxytocin, when oxytocin is released, this oxytocin actually relaxes the uterus muscles. So that way cramping is reduced. Again, during this phase actually blood flow, means blood circulation increases in that area. Okay, in that area blood circulation increases, and this increased blood circulation to that area actually helps ease with pelvic congestion and muscle tension. And one more thing, just after orgasm, women feel relaxed, and this relaxation that follows orgasm can improve mood and reduce stress. So when the mood is improved, stress is reduced, in that case, that severe pain feels less. Means this thing actually can make feel the pain less. Okay, this thing happens, and doctors, means according to doctors and science, better to say here, science, what science says about this, yes, for many women this is true. For many women this is true, but not for all. Okay, so what happens actually in case of severe abdominal pain, that's I want to mean that menstrual pain. In case of severe menstrual pain, which may also link to that disease endometriosis, in such a case, masturbation is not a solution to that problem. So you can go for this masturbation only if pain is not severe at all. If pain is severe, you must consult a doctor. Okay, because this severe pain may be linked to endometriosis or other medical conditions. But in case of means I want to mean that if the pain is not severe, then you can try for yourself this masturbation process. Actually, this is known as a safe, natural. This masturbation is known as safe, natural, and completely normal process. In general, this is not harmful. Okay. Anyway, and one more thing, during that phase of menstrual pain, or better to say menstruation, during that phase, okay, it actually occurs for 3 to 4 days or more than that. Anyway, during that phase, the woman should hydrate herself properly. Means good hydration is required. Balanced diet is required. Okay, and to some extent exercise is required. Okay, what kind of exercise you can do during this period, I'll make a separate video for that thing. Okay, not all kinds of exercises are allowed during this period. Anyway, all these things, exercise, then hydration, then balanced diet, all these things are means all these things can be regarded as the key to managing menstrual pain. Okay, and many women have the misconception that that masturbation, means female masturbation, causes menstrual pain, and that is wrong. That is myth. That is a myth. Masturbation does not cause menstrual pain. Actually, we should thank, means women should thank to what? Endorphins, that oxytocin, and that increased blood circulation. Because those things are happening, that's why pain is relieved to some extent when women are undergoing that masturbation process. So this is the truth. These are said by science. These are said by doctors. Okay, but exceptional cases are there. Just keep in your mind that thing. If the pain is severe, you don't try this masturbation process. Never try this masturbation process. Instead, you should immediately consult a doctor. Okay. And if nothing is serious in your body, in that case, you can try. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, masturbation and menstrual cramps, and you can see that here these are related. Okay, these are related, they are actually linked for many women. May not be for all, but for many women, those things are related, and masturbation is really a helpful process to reduce menstrual cramps. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.